Hello guys, and welcome back after a long time. Finally, after some time, I have enough time for YouTube, so I've decided to do video series of 50 videos on how to make money online. All these videos are going to vary from 5 minutes up to over an hour per video. I'm gonna show you basics of design up to advanced design stuff. I'm gonna teach you about digital marketing. You're gonna learn Adobe package, video editing, and web design, and many more. Also, all of these 50 videos are gonna be raw without editing, so sit back and enjoy. So this is the first video out of this 50, and this is basically the most basic video for beginners. So we are starting from easier stuff to more advanced stuff. So today we're gonna make a basic logo using Canva. Because we need something quick, so Canva is perfect for that. So I'm gonna show you how to make the most basic logo. For example, let's say Hair Studio. So when you come to canva.com, you want to register, or if you already have an account, just log in, and you will see here a little button that says create a design. Once you click it, this page will open up. So we want logo, so click on logo here. And now you will get already done templates here that you can always click on and then edit. So I'm going to show you, once you click on it, it basically comes here, and now you can edit it. So you can always start by editing done logos, or you can start from absolute beginning without anything. So if you want to open up the screen again where there's already done designs, you just click here on design. So basically but since we don't want that, you can always use it, as I said, but let's just make it ourselves. It's gonna be fully basic, so I'm gonna tell you what I'm doing and just follow, and this video is gonna be quick. So basically our background, I want to change it to black first, so you click on it. Click on this here little circle with colors, which it says background color, so click on it, click on black. Now we have a black background on our logo. Logo resolution. So now we want to add some text inside. So from the left menu, click on text, add a text box. It says your paragraph text, so here let's type in, let's say our hair studio is called basic, so let's type in basic. Okay, now we have our name here. And once you click on the text, you get this box here. Basically, this is the text editor here. So first thing is first, we want to change this font. So click on it. Here you can see what font is currently applied. So we want to click on that, and we want to select something that looks classy, but also keep in mind this is Hair Studio, so we need something to be different than usually it is. Usually hair studios are pretty basic, so we need something that looks good, but also it depends on what your client wants. Maybe they have a high-end hair studio, maybe it's just a walk-in barbershop, so it all depends on what your client wants. So let's find something here basically that looks good. Okay, let's just select, let's go with the let's see. Okay, let's select this Yeshiva one. So we click on that. We got our name here now, basic. So we want to center it. You can see by this, lines here. Once it's centered, and let's make it a little bit bigger. Actually, center it again. So now we have our name. So our hair studio is called basic, for example. So we have our name here, and now we need something more to make it look like Hair Studio, and we're gonna do that by text, and also to make it look clean and professional as well. So let's click another text box here. So click add a text box, and let's type here Hair Studio. We want to make this smaller because this is gonna go under here. So if you want to move this, you just basically click on it like that and just drag it wherever you want. Also, let's make this a little bit more bigger, because this is actually the first So the biggest element on your logo is what people see first. So our name is what we want people to be seeing first, and then these are some secondary stuff we want people to see. So for example, we're gonna put this here, so make sure it's centered like that. Okay, perfect. And now let's change the font on this. Now this is the same font, and we want this to be a little bit cooler font maybe. So let's see if there's something cool here. Maybe something that's, you know, typed like this. How does that look? This one's bad. Bad, yeah. Okay. Okay, this one looks good. So here's Studio. So it's down here, and now this still looks basic, but we want to keep it basic and professional. We can make this a little bit bigger, and make sure it's centered again, and under this. Perfect. So now what we want to do is, I still feel this is kind of empty, and we need some more stuff. So what we can always do here is we can go to elements, and here you can see like different lines, circles, lines, whatever. So let's use just regular line. If you cannot find it here, what is this? Wait, line. Okay. If you cannot find it here under shape, you can always type here. So for example, if we type in line, see you get different shapes, and this is the line we used right now. So this line, we want to put it, for example, I was thinking of putting it like that, so it matches. 1 second, it popped for some reason. Okay. Okay, doesn't let me do it like that. Okay, 0, we're just gonna, okay, it's centered, so we want to put this here and put this under it. So now we have this line that gives us something. It doesn't feel empty as it was before. But what we still can put in here is, for example, the established. Established is, for example, when something is open. So let's say this hair studio was open in last year in 2024. So we click on text, add a text box, and now we type in this new paragraph text, we type in est.2024, which means established in 2024. So this needs to be the smallest, because this is the smallest element, and we want it to be the last element that is seen, basically. Okay, we put it under that, and now this looks like, this is basically the most basic logo that we can, you know, create. It looks okay-ish, but as I said, this is nothing, you know, professional right now, and nothing, you know, this is just a basic logo that you do in a few minutes by clicking in Canva. But since this is the first video out of 50, I wanted it to be most basic. Now, you want to play with this a little bit. So for example, if I put this up here like it was defaultly set, it doesn't look really that good. You can always, for example, you can, you know, make it bigger, as I said, you know, make it smaller, flip it, crop it, corner round it, position it. So we want to put this somewhere that this looks, that it would look cooler. So for example, we can make it look like it's basically cutting this, you see? So it looks like it's gonna cut this. So we just need to align it with this bar here. And now it starts at the B. You can always zoom in here, or you can use CTRL, or control and your mouse wheel. So you can zoom in on it to set it up accordingly. So we want it to start at letter B, and it's basically not to have corner outside here, so we want it to be smooth, for example, like that. Alright, so there we go, ladies and gentlemen. This is the most basic logo creation, for example, for here studio. So this is just the beginning. As I said, we're gonna go into more advanced stuff. Now if you want to save this, you click on share and you click on download. You choose your download location on your PC, and that's it basically. So guys, thank you for watching. You can play around here with different settings, already done templates, change them on how you would like, or you know, do a logo yourself and just basically play around a little bit. This is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoy. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and see you in the next one.